Hello and welcome to the InNews series of Drishti IAS. I'm Ritu and today's session is about Aligarh Muslim University and its minority status. It is often debated in the news that Aligarh Muslim University has minority status or not. And given this debate, we have come with a Supreme Court judgment related to this matter. And this session is important for your GS2 perspective. Moving towards the points of discussion part. So first of all, we are going to discuss the news, then we are going to discuss the case, and we are also going to discuss the judgment of Supreme Court and practice question for prelims. Before that, you have to like, share and subscribe to the Drishti IAS channel. So before moving to the discussion part, I have an important announcement for you. As you already know that Drishti IAS has several branches across the country, and Drishti IAS has launched its ISGS Foundation course. And ISGS Foundation course has prelims cum mains program, and this is exclusively for the English medium. So this is for the Indore branch. The class will begin by 13th November 3:30 p.m. Karol Bagh 26th November 6 p.m. And if you want to know more information about such kind of the classes, you can call on to the number 8010440440 8010440440. Coming to the news part. So before discussing the news, I want to discuss little bit about the Aligarh Muslim University. So Aligarh Muslim University was formerly Muhammad Anglo-Oriental College, and it was established by Sir Syed Ahmad Khan in 1875. After that, it was incorporated as Aligarh Muslim University in 1920 by British Act. So since then we have this Aligarh Muslim University. So this is a brief about Aligarh Muslim University, and after that there was so much debates related to the Aligarh Muslim University, that whether it is minority institution or not, and what is the reservation policies in Aligarh Muslim University, why certain classes are not getting reservation in Aligarh Muslim University. So this is a brief debate over the Aligarh Muslim University. So here in this news which we are going to discuss, that Supreme Court today has given its judgment related to the former judgments and former cases related to the Aligarh Muslim University, and also it highlights the question of Article 30 and the issue of minority institution. So Supreme Court has given its judgment. In detail, we are going to also discuss about that what Supreme Court has given its judgment related to the minority status of Aligarh Muslim University. Now coming to the next one. Next one is about the case. So the case was that the case name is Azeez Basha versus Union of India, and this is a 5-judge constitution bench, and they had ruled that AMU, in short, Aligarh Muslim University is not a minority institute because it has been established through statute. So this is about the Aligarh Muslim University. And however, Parliament restored this thing, and they had said in 1981 that Aligarh Muslim University has minority status by passing Aligarh Muslim University Amendment Act. So this was the case, and this was the reaction, not you can say reaction, but the decision and the outlook of the Parliament regarding the Aligarh Muslim University. Now we'll come to the another aspect of it. So another aspect of it was Allahabad High Court's 2006 judgment on AMU. So after the Aligarh Muslim University minority status in 1981, the matter has reached to the Allahabad High Court, and what Allahabad High Court has observed. So the issue further escalated, and in response, the previous Congress-led United Progressive Alliance government had appealed against the 2006 order, and AMU has also filed a petition over the issue. So this was the case of Allahabad High Court, and now we can see that the matter has reached into the 2016 when there was an NDA government, and the NDA government had said that what it told the Supreme Court in 2016 that it was withdrawing the appeal filed by the past government, because the past government has filed an appeal that this has been established by the act, and you cannot overthrow and you cannot overrule the act of the Parliament. So after 2016, what the NDA-led government said that they are going to withdraw from the court that whether they want minority status or not. And in 2019, the top court referred this matter to the 7-judge bench, because earlier it was the 5-judge bench, so it was referred to the larger bench. And what had happened that the court has observed in January that why Center is refusing to recognize the act of the Parliament, and the Supreme Court has said that act of the Parliament, because Parliament is indestructible in nature and you cannot overthrow the act and mandate of the Parliament. So this was the Supreme Court opinion in the January. Later in this judgment, we are going to say that AMU got its minority status or not. So the Supreme Court judgment was 4-3 judgment. So majority of the judges had said that you have to see the roots of any institution. When it comes to the minority institution, you have to see the roots of any institution, that who have provided fund for those institutions, who have provided land for those institutions. It does not mean that whether some university or any institution has been established by statute or not. There is a difference between incorporation and establishment, and you cannot equate these things. Suppose that if minority institute decides that they are going to provide a secular education, that does not mean that you are going to snatch the minority status of any institution. And this has been overruled. So other judgment which was related to this case was overruled by the Supreme Court, and there was a 4-3 judgment including the Chief Justice of India, D.Y. Chandrachud. So this was the judgment of the Supreme Court related to this case, and Supreme Court has asked that you have to decide the minority status of Aligarh Muslim University on the basis of this judgment, not any previous judgment. So this is the judgment about the Aligarh Muslim University, that you have to take care of the Article 30, and you cannot say that those institutions who have been established before independence cannot be applied Article 30 on them. So the application of Article 30 on them also, and those institutions who have made after the independence, it can be applied to everyone. So this is also a matter of minority institution. This is a matter of Article 30. This is a matter of what are the different cases related to any institution or religious institution. So now we'll come to the question part. The question is, with reference to the recent Supreme Court proceeding on Aligarh Muslim University, consider the following statement. In 1967, Azeez Basha case ruled that AMU cannot be a minority institution as it is a central university. The AMU Amendment Act 1981 granted AMU minority status. The Allahabad High Court in 2006 upheld AMU minority status. The Supreme Court recently directed the AMU minority status be reconsidered. And here are your options. Here they are finding out, you have to find out that which one is the correct. 1 and 2 only, 1, 2 and 4, 2 and 3 only, 1, 3 and 4. So you have to find out the answer into the comment section, and you have to also ponder over various things related to this case, the authority of the Parliament, whether anything can be overthrown or not, the Article 30, the rights of minorities in this country, the rights of minority institution, what are the overruling factor here, what are the Azeez Basha case, what are the current judgments regarding this thing. So you have to find out all these aspects related to the minority institution and Aligarh Muslim University. And in the comment section, they can also ask you, and in any examination related to the Aligarh Muslim University, that who had established the Aligarh Muslim University. And you have to remember this thing, that earlier Aligarh Muslim University was different name. It was established as a college, later it was incorporated. So you have to find out what is the imperial legislation into this thing. So these are the various concerns related to this particular topic, and this is not just about the Aligarh Muslim University, it is about all those institutions which have the minority status. So you have to think upon all these kind of things. So that's it for today's session. I hope you like this session. If you have any queries related to this session, kindly ask in the comment section. Thank you. Have a nice day.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe. and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.